Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is Noor Nahar, bearing the ID 27. Today in this presentation, I will discuss about buffering and caching, input or output management. So, before entering into the actual topic, let's first understand what is input or output management. Input or output management is one of the most important components of operation system design. There are many reasons for that. There are so many types of input or output devices. Always new types of devices come out. Now, what is buffering? Buffering is a process of storing data in memory area called buffers while data is being transferred between two processes. Some examples of buffering: network buffer, audio or video playback. There are three types of buffering: single buffer, double buffer, circular buffer. Single buffer means only one buffer is used to transfer the data between two devices. And double buffer means used to system buffer instead of one. C- Circular buffer. Circular buffer means two or more buffer are used. Challenges in buffering. There are several challenges in buffering like complexity in management, buffer overflow, latency, memory utilization, synchronization issues. Now, latency means buffering can introduce latency in data processing, especially if the buffer size is large. Buffer overflow. Buffer overflow means buffer overflow occurs when more data is written to buffer than it can hold, leading to data loss or corruption. Number 3, memory utilization. Managing the memory allocated for buffers is crucial, and allocating too much memory for buffers can waste resources, while too little can lead to frequent buffer overflows and underflows. On the other hand, caching. It is a process of storing excess data for quick retrieval. Some examples of caching: CPU cache, disk cache, etc. Challenges in caching. There are several challenges in caching like cache invalidation, cache consistency and coherency, distribution, distributed caching, balancing freshness and performance, lack of understanding of data uses patterns. Cache invalidation. Deciding when to invalidate or refresh cache data to maintain accuracy is difficult. Invalidation strategies must balance between keeping data fresh and avoiding unnecessary cache invalidations. Second one is cache consistency and coherency. Cache consistency and coherency means the ensuring that the cache always has most up-to-date data. Buffer difference between buffer and cache. Buffer it stored the original copy of the data. Cache means it stores a copy of the original data. In the final analysis, buffering smooth data transfer between devices, ensuring continuous data, while caching accelerates data access by storing frequently used data in high-speed storage. Both techniques are vital for optimizing performance in input or output management. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.